When you go shopping for a standard, budget-friendly, over-the-range microwave, the expectations are straightforward. You generally look for a cavernous interior, something over 2.0 cubic feet, and a magnetron pushing at least 1,000 watts of raw heating power. Then you encounter the Viking VMOR506SS. It carries a premium $2,399 price, yet offers just 1.1 cubic feet of capacity and 850 watts of power. Adding to the confusion, it features a constrained 300 CFM exhaust blower. This looks like a questionable financial decision, but judging this appliance solely as a microwave misinterprets its architectural purpose. We are looking at a high-performance secondary oven, compressed into the highly contested, restrictive footprint of an overhead exhaust hood. A premium residential kitchen is built around a professional-style aesthetic. Homeowners demand visual continuity, requiring their luxury range to perfectly match the overhead ventilation. Historically, achieving that look meant installing massive, dedicated stainless steel canopy hoods. But as urban dwellings modernized and kitchen footprints condensed, designers were forced to save 30 inches of upper cabinet space by merging the exhaust hood and the microwave into a single overhead void. Creating an all-in-one hybrid tool out of two different appliances requires engineering compromises. We will evaluate whether those specific compromises actually justify the Viking luxury premium. Success in this category depends on balancing tight spatial constraints with professional-grade aesthetic continuity, rather than just maximizing raw microwave power. This chart comparing luxury over-the-range market positioning reveals a distinct structural limit. The bottom bar shows the Viking unit offering just 1.1 cubic feet of interior capacity, lagging behind the much larger units offered by competitors like Thermador and Monogram. That missing space is an engineering necessity. The appliance has to house a high-speed circulation fan, a cowrod heating element, and heavy thermal insulation that a standard microwave does not possess. That hardware configuration enables true European convection. It provides the mechanism to circulate air at the high temperatures required for browning and baking, something standard microwave radiation cannot achieve on its own. The Viking utilizes a hybrid high-mix roast mode to capitalize on this. The unit microcycles between two processes, bombarding the dense interior with microwave energy to cook the center, and circulating intense convection heat that browns, crisps, and seals the exterior. The sacrifice in total cubic footage acts as the tax paid to acquire a space-saving secondary oven, one capable of handling complex side dishes during large holiday meal orchestrations. This diagram outlines kitchen ventilation physics. The thermal plume of heat, steam, and grease expands upward, demanding sufficient suction velocity for capture. A 300 CFM blower represents a moderate containment threshold. The upper section shows the exit pathways to handle extracted effluent, vertically or recirculated. Modern building codes across many municipalities now mandate that any kitchen exhaust system exceeding 400 CFM must be accompanied by an automated makeup air system. Retrofitting a makeup air system into a home is an expensive logistical burden. It requires laying new fresh air ductwork, installing motorized dampers, and frequently adding inline heaters to warm incoming winter air. Operating precisely at the 300 CFM ceiling is a deliberate engineering choice. It allows homeowners to upgrade their ventilation safely and legally without triggering thousands of dollars in mandatory HVAC renovations. While you bypass expensive structural renovations, we still need to examine the underlying supply chain reality of the appliance. Viking relies heavily on the Sharp Corporation to manufacture the internal chassis and electronic components for this unit. While buyers might hesitate at outsourced internals, Sharp brings decades of specialized R&D, standing as the historical pioneer in commercial convection technology. This relationship grants the consumer a robust core cooking engine, equipped with advanced internal sensors that monitor humidity to automate cooking times without user intervention. You are paying a markup for Viking's heavy-duty exterior styling and professional badging, but you are securing a mass-tested, reliable Japanese cooking engine inside. Because this is a specialized piece of culinary hardware, matching it to the wrong workflow will result in disappointment. If you frequently use high BTU professional gas cooktops for wok cooking or cast iron blackening, a 300 CFM fan cannot capture those massive effluent plumes. Similarly, if your sole goal is to reheat large platters of food and you have no intention of baking, the convection hardware simply steals cavity space you would otherwise use. Treating this appliance as a high-velocity grease extractor or a bulk reheating microwave will likely lead to buyer's remorse. The ideal buyer profile for this specialized appliance is actually very specific. If you demand absolute visual continuity above your Viking range, and you require a secondary oven for baking, but lack the wall space for a dedicated double oven tower, this unit resolves that tension. Furthermore, if you are a renovator looking to secure premium baking utility while staying under the 400 CFM threshold to bypass expensive makeup air regulations, this appliance fits the exact parameters of your project. If you accept its physical limits and utilize it as a space-saving secondary oven disguised overhead, the $2,400 investment is a strategic architectural decision.